Hello everyone, and today we're gonna test out this PowerNet and see if it's worth $280 or not. Let's try it. Not bad, not bad. Alright. I love the fact that it has the roof on top. I usually hit over the net sometimes. There we go. No, that was bad. We got it. No. There we go. Alright. What the? Alright. Oh, there we go. Alright. Okay. Oh, wait. Yeah, that's not a good one. Alright, let's go. Beautiful. Get that one in. Right. Oh, one more. There we go. All right. Pretty good, actually. It caught most of the balls. Some of them hit out, but that's all right. What I love about this is it kind of traps the ball in this one area. Well, I gotta say, not bad. I kind of like it, actually. I'll use this more than that one. This one's for my pitching net for now. I'm using this one for my hitting. Thank you so much for watching.
Swing.